My name is Ellen Parker, and I am the CEO of Ellen Parker Consulting. Thank you so much for engaging, watching, listening to our content. Don't forget to subscribe to any of those channels and leave us a review and maybe share it with somebody if you think it makes sense. I want to let you know two ways we can work together. We are here as an education consultancy. That means that you can hire us on a one-on-one via our course or our program or for your team. It's very hands-on keyboard. Like I dive into the DSPs, the SSPs with you and develop internal processes. We do optimization boot camps and optimization workshops, analysis workshop, critical thinking workshop with your team. We're super hands-on, we're super engaged, and usually work with those teams for about 6 to 12 months, either on a weekly basis or on a monthly basis. The second way to work with us is on a hybrid model. So hear me out. Most of us have a lot on our plate, and sometimes we just need to delegate some of this stuff so we can keep focusing on our magic. We also offer a hybrid model where we come, do the work, and train somebody to take over eventually, whatever that looks like. So if you're interested, make sure you email us at info@heleneparker.com. It'll be in the message. It'll be at the in the description of this video or in the show notes of the podcast. And always, thank you so much for all of that you do. And shout out to you for showing up today, yourself as yourself, and keep learning.